Pakistan. Controversial Islamic preacher Zakir Naik given a red carpet welcome. A massive welcome in Pakistan. Look at that. The topmost dignitaries, the heads of state receiving Zakir Naik, who's known for not only a certain and has been accused of radicalization, preaching that he has done, a lot of anti-India statements as well. He arrived in Islamabad on Monday. Naik, remember, is wanted in India basically on charges of hate speech, inciting communal disharmony. He will be in Pakistan until 28th of October, where he's, of course, likely to deliver public speech in Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, the big cities of Pakistan. Will also lead and address Friday prayer congregations, which usually, remember, are followed with sermons and long speech that are given, which are religious in nature. So these are what the local reports are saying. Look at that. When you're received by the Prime Minister, by the senior dignitary, by the ministers, that only reflects how significant you are to them. When you're wanted in India for a hate speech and for inciting communal harmony, accused of radicalization and pushing further conservatism. Our foreign affairs editor Geeta Mohan joins me. Geeta, it's interesting to look at these images. So not just a well-known preacher who's come to Pakistan, but when directly the top leadership decides to meet him, invite him, that says a lot.
And absolutely. They've been engaging him. It's almost like he's a state guest. He has met all the top leaders, including Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. And this is a man wanted in India. What the charges were, whether it's proven or not, the fact that India and Pakistan are having a very difficult time, and to rub that in, Pakistani Premier meets the very same man who's wanted in India, clearly signals that they do not really want any to do with thawing of the strained ties between the two countries. So yes, yet another messaging from Pakistan that people who are wanted in India, and there are many living in Pakistan, Pooja, people who are wanted in India are most welcome in Pakistan.
All right, Geeta, keep tracking all the latest on that, and specifically, what does he have to say in Pakistan? Remember, a reminder for our viewers, he's wanted in India, hate speech, communal disharmony. These are some of the charges against him.